In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cross-progression Apex Legends PlayStation 4 to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Enabling cross-progression for Apex Legends from PlayStation 4 to PC or any other platform where you play Apex on is extremely simple. All that you have to do is visit either the EA website or the Apex website. In here, you will be able to sign into your EA account. So you need to sign into the EA account that you use to play Apex Legends. Once you are signed into the account, go over to the account settings page. So by clicking on this button, you will be redirected here, and now you can click on connections at the left side of the screen. Now you will find the options to link all sorts of accounts. So if you want to link PC to PlayStation 4 or vice versa, just make sure that you are using the proper EA account and then click on Link PlayStation Network. A new window will open and you will have to verify your email. After this is done, you will be redirected into the PlayStation website where you can finish this process. Like I said, it's very important that you double check everything because once this link is established, it is not recommended to unlink this and you could potentially lose everything if you don't link it to the right PlayStation account. So immediately after verifying your email, you will now be able to sign in to PlayStation. And by signing into the PlayStation account that you want to use and transfer the progress from or to, you will be able to share the progress across both of these platforms. And of course, you can do the same for any other account that you use to play. So you can link Xbox and then something like Steam. This will share the progress account across all of these platforms, so all that you have to do is sign into the EA website, choose the account settings option, and go over to connections to change everything related to cross-progression. I hope I was able to help you on how to cross-progression Apex Legends PlayStation 4 to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!